Hello, and welcome to another Precision Fire Repairs video. This is one in my series called Off the Shelf, where I take an engine, operating car, or accessory that's for sale off the shelf and provide you a brief demonstration of it in operation. Today's video is on the Lionel American Flyer ES44AC diesels in Lehigh Valley road name trim. And I think what I'll do is I'll start off running these and then stop that and give you a little bit of my description or explanation of them. They're beautiful, and I think, frankly, the most refined of all the legacy engines produced by Lionel in the American Flyer line. As I mentioned, they are for sale, and for a list of all the trains, I should say, that I have for sale, along with their prices, please visit the web page www.precisionflyerrepairs.com. On the home page of that website, there's a link to the list that I keep updated. Thank you. The front unit is a powered unit with all the lighting, sound, smoke, and motor control functions that a legacy engine comes equipped with. The second unit is a complete dummy unit. No lighting, no sound, no motors. And yet, I thought I'd shoot the video of the two together because they do make a terrific pair, and I like multi-unit diesel setups.
Dispatcher, my fuel's down about empty. Can I get to the main line? Over. Acknowledged. I got a clear signal.
You'll hear there are 3 levels of whistle, or I should say horn, that you can produce: low, medium, and high, with the quillable slide on the cab 2 remote control. Got the illuminated cab with the crew inside, and let's get underway.
This is the dispatcher. Go to restricted speed. Over. Engine is at restricted speed. Out.
Got a very strong smoke unit. You can set it at 3 different levels: low, medium, high, and I guess you could say 4 levels if you consider off a level. The ditch switches can be set by the user to either remain on all the time or flash when the horn is signaled. I like to make them flash. I think it adds some flash. The smoke unit also
This is the dispatcher.
produces more
Over.
the faster and harder working the engine is, which I think is a pretty cool feature. And there's no question that it's a strong smoke unit. It's fortunate, I think, that they give you the 3 different levels of low, medium, and high, because sometimes high is a bit too much, but it's nice to know that capacity is there if you want to call on it. And you'll see the ditch lights go off when you come to a stop, and when you change directions, the directional lighting on the powered unit follows suit. These engines have a unique feature called roll, where it gets 1 speed increment of throttle, and it just crawls along, and it'll keep this speed steadily, whether it's going uphill or downhill. But if that isn't a yard speed crawl, I don't know what is.
Dispatcher here. Go to restricted speed. Over. Engine is at restricted
They ramp up the speed very smoothly. This is set on a momentum setting of 5 out of 10, so it's a medium momentum. You can make it more or less time responsive. I kind of like it right in the middle. It's realistic enough without making running your trains get boring, and yet you don't get jackrabbit starts when you want to get going or change direction. So there you have it. These are terrific. I've been really happy with them, and believe, in my opinion anyway, that they are the most refined engines, diesel or steam, in the Legacy product line by Lionel American Flyer produced. They come out of the box, they run as they should. Their lighting, their motor control, their sounds, their smoke, all for me have been exactly as expected, working well. And I think the attention to detail and fit and finish is unparalleled, actually, in anything that they've made. It does have electro couplers front and rear that you can activate from the cab, which is another advanced feature that makes operating it more fun. And again, they're available for sale separately, although you might consider wanting to buy them both so you can run them looking like they do here today in this video. Thanks for watching, and until next time, be well, have fun running your trains.